is this, our seismology lab. Here's where our students do most of their work. Here's where we have our group meetings and we sit around together to look at some data, analyze our results, discuss what we're doing.
I'm Joe Burns. I'm Max's postdoc. I do teleseismic seismology. We do imaging of the upper mantle, mostly the asthenosphere, melting processes. We're currently working on structure of the plate beneath the Appalachians, some work in Southern California and Wyoming.
So our lab is focused on imaging seismology, primarily upper mantle and lithospheric imaging. And we have sort of two branches. One branch is doing attenuation work, mostly QP with teleseismic earthquakes. We've developed some cool methodology around that, getting some exciting results. Another branch that is looking more at anisotropy around subduction zones and other places where we are trying to explore how anisotropy can affect tomographic images that are usually done isotropically, and how that can change our understanding of the results. We've also been doing some earthquake relocations that have been yielding interesting results around the Alboran slab in the westernmost Mediterranean, and that has been very interesting. We currently have 3 PhD students and 2 postdocs. Next week we will welcome a visiting PhD student from China, and in April we will welcome a postdoc funded by the DAAD coming from Germany.
Hi, I'm Zhao. As you can see here, I'm working on the seismology data from Nevada Basin and using the data from these seismometers to study the toroidal flow of the mantle in the West US. And here is a tomography map produced by this data, and I'm trying to come up with some anisotropy seismic models to explain the high velocity anomaly here. And at the same time, I'm pretty interested in machine learning techniques with the seismology auto picking, and I think that would be really useful for my tomography. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pajali. I'm 4th year PhD student of Bezada. I'm studying geophysics, seismology, as you know, and I'm working on Western Mediterranean, and my main research interest is seismic anisotropy of subduction zone, and I will work hard enough. Yeah, that's it. You can cut it that.
Hello, my name is Meng. My major is seismology. I'm a PhD student in my 4th year, working with Professor Max. And my research is about the relocation of earthquakes in the westernmost Mediterranean. So the region is like here. Those are the stations that we retrieved from different networks. And so far, the result is like this. So we give a high precision seismicity pattern in the westernmost Mediterranean. And this one is by using the velocity model and the relative locations of those earthquakes. They are the red dots and the black dots relative to the tomography imaging result. And by using this, based on that, we propose the hypothesis in the intermediate depths of the westernmost Mediterranean. This hypothesis is about the necking and the shear instability.
With respect to instrumentation, we operate 16 of these new digital seismographs. So they are both a seismometer and a digitizer in one package. They are totally waterproof, marine-rated connectors. They go straight into the ground, no vault needed. So they're beautiful. They're our pride and joy. We have 16 of them total. 14 of them are currently deployed in Wyoming and South Dakota. And we have started to get some data back from the field. It looks great. And yeah, we're running a little array and excited to start analyzing the data very soon.